Inkampani yamabhasi iPutco ithi zikhona izingxoxo eziqhubekayo phakathi kwayo kanye nezinyunyana zezisebenzi ngesiteleka sabashayeli bamabhasi esiqhubekayo kwezinye izingxenye zaseGauteng. Nakuba kuqale kahle ukusebenza kwalamabhasi namhlanje kuseni, kodwa kuphazamisekile njengoba abanye abashayeli abatelekile bevale isango lesikhumulo salamabhasi eDobsonville Soweto.
We were able to have some robust conversations around the matter, and we were able to come up with an offer that is to be presented to the workers you are seeing behind me. But essentially, yes, they have been disrupted. What we are hoping for is that the offer that's going to be put on the table, we're going to receive positive feedback no later than 12 p.m. so that we can start preparing for the afternoon shift. So we believe that we are edging ever so close in terms of finding a solution, but it's just a matter of waiting and hearing what the unions are reporting back as far as the feedback from the workers is concerned.
That meeting started around midday yesterday and only wrapped up after 11 p.m. last night. So that gives you a sense of just how intense those talks are. By the end of those talks, a proposal had been placed on the table. And as I speak to you now, our officials are going to go from to all the different PUTCO depots in order to share that proposal with members.